Today, we're going to talk about socialism in the simplest way possible. What is it? How does it work? And why do people talk about it so much? Let's find out together. Socialism can seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. At its core, socialism is about sharing. It's about people coming together to support each other. Imagine a community where people work together and everyone gets a fair share of what's produced. This means everyone contributes and everyone benefits. That's the basic idea of socialism, making sure that resources and wealth are spread more equally among everyone. It's about fairness and equality. In a capitalist system, businesses and factories are owned by individuals who make profits. These profits often go to the owners and shareholders. But in socialism, these businesses might be owned by the workers or the government. This means that the people who actually do the work have a say in how things are run. The profits are then shared among everyone, instead of just a few people at the top. This can lead to a more balanced and fair society. So, that's socialism in a nutshell. It's a system that aims to reduce inequality and ensure that everyone gets their fair share. It's about community, cooperation, and fairness. For example, countries like Norway and Sweden practice forms of socialism. They have strong social safety nets and public services that ensure everyone is taken care of. On the other hand, countries like Cuba and Venezuela also follow socialist principles but face different challenges. In Cuba, the government controls most resources, leading to shortages and limited freedoms. Venezuela has struggled with economic instability and political turmoil, affecting the quality of life for many. If you found this explanation simple and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join Revision Rush for more easy to understand videos on important topics.